T.O.B family. That's Tech on a Budget family. How does that sound? Let me know in the comment section, or if you got any recommendations. For now, I'm running with it. Howzit T.O.B family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos, and as always, I want to start by saying thanks for the likes and thanks for the dislikes. Thanks to the people that just joined our family over the week. You're most welcome. And remember, in here you have a voice, so leave a comment in the comment section, make a recommendation, tell me what you'd like to see, and I'll see if I can oblige. To those who watch our videos every week and you've not joined us yet, join us. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get a notification every time we put out a video. That's all it takes. Okay, let's go see what piece of tech we're going to be reviewing today. Come on. This is the Genius HS-G610 headset, the red version. It boasts of a large soft ear cups for a proper fit around the ears, noise cancelling, soft cushion headband wrapped in nubuck leather for ultimate comfort around your head, inline microphone and microphone control, ear cups that swivel, a long cable, and it's super lightweight. Price on this one, 450 rands. For 450 rands, this is yours. I tested this headset and quite frankly, I'm sorry to say that I'm supremely disappointed. Well, that is not to say there aren't things I liked about it, but the important things I look for in a headset or any audio device is seriously lacking in this headset. When I researched this, there were lots of positive things said about it, so I decided to see for myself, and I am disappointed by it. Okay, let's start with the things I liked about it. Firstly, it comes in black and red, so you have a choice if aesthetics are a thing for you. I chose red. I like the nubuck leather used to wrap the headband. It has an incredible feel to it, and it feels cushioned and it's comfortable. I also like the softness of the ear cups. That's about it. Let's talk about the things I don't like about this headset. The audio production. The sound this headset produces is disappointing. Sounds dull and scratchy, just not what you would expect from a brand like this. If the audio production of a headset is poor, it's useless no matter what it looks like or what features are in it. The headset boasts of noise cancelling, but it's not noise cancelling as much as it is noise isolation. It feels like soundproofing when you put the headset over your ears. The headset feels loose around the head. Maybe I just have a small head for it. The sound produced by the mic is too low. It doesn't have a volume control, so you have to turn your device's volume all the way up to get a decent sound. Overall, the headset looks beautiful, especially the red color, but performance is very, very poor. Most especially for the price of 450 rands. To summarize, this is an aesthetically pleasing headset with poor performance, and for the price of 450 rands, it's a huge no for me. Thank you for sticking with me until the end. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Would love to have you as a member of our family. Please also click on the notification bell so you get a notification every time we put out a video. And most of all, please like and share these videos. Leave a comment in the comment section. In here you have a voice, so use it. Tell us what your thoughts are about our videos or any other videos from the playlist. Tell us what you'd like to see on this channel. And until next time, stay safe.